What's that?
It fell. Sorry.
Thanks for grabbing that. Yeah, welcome to today's video. It's a travel vlog. Yeah!
We're going to JFK, then Dominican Republic.
Yes. Go ahead. What do you want, Lincoln?
I want
He said we should film us getting candy.
Yeah, it's a great idea, isn't it?
Yeah, go ahead, get it. I'll film you.
No, you get it. I don't have any money.
Why not? You didn't bring any money?
This is gonna be the best ever.
Teriyaki beef steaks?
Like transactions.
Alright, this is boring. Should cut that. How's it going, bud? Okay, we're just about to land in JFK. We have like 30. Alright, I'm in the beautiful bathroom. I feel like Casey Neistat right now. Like, he always does this little recording in the bathroom, and I see why. I tried to talk in the airplane on my seat, and everybody was just looking at me, so it was kind of weird. So, anyway, we have a 35-minute layover in JFK, then we fly to Dominican Republic. We get in there at like 11 o'clock at night, and so I'm a little worried about our flight. I just sent a tweet out to Delta and said, hey, we're gonna have a tight connection. Do you have any type of valet? Because I've seen sometimes they have a Porsche, however you say it, that will pick you up right there and drive you on the runway over to your next flight. I don't know, like Delta, we'll see. We'll see if they decide to surprise us. Once we get off, it's gonna be kind of like a mad dash, so it's gonna be really shaky footage, or it's gonna be an awesome ride in a Porsche on the runway. So yeah, back to my seat. Bye, thanks a lot.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Hey, that's us. Markham. Dude, we got the secret entrance. It's so funny. This is a nice Porsche. It's really nice.
So, how you guys doing?
Good, man. Do you get to drive people around all day in this?
Not all day. I do other stuff, but it's part of what I do.
That's cool. I like it. This is a nice new Porsche too.
Yeah.
Well, the situation is I left my wallet on the plane. I know, I'm not smart. So I think we're gonna go back. I don't know how we go. If we can get it, just go up. But it's in my seat back pocket. That's a long flight. I had lots of stuff. I found the wallet. Take two. This is a really fast Porsche. This is a Porsche Cayenne. When Lincoln was first born, we bought one of these things. It was the first year that they came out with the Cayenne. We lived in Arizona, and it was the fastest car to be driving in. Now we have the Tesla, and that is definitely faster than the Cayenne, but back in the day, the Porsche was just incredibly fast for an SUV. The Model X is now the fastest SUV that they have, but what? Two more Porsches?
Uh-huh.
There's a red car, and then another Cayenne. Oh, I'm glad you didn't pick us up in the Expedition. Oh, that would have been bad. Alright, thank you. Alright, we arrived somewhere. We're close, I think. All these airplanes in the background. I don't think we're going to miss our flight. Delta, thank you for hooking us up with the Porsche experience. Especially considering that I lost my wallet. We would have definitely been late for this flight. So I think they do this for Diamond members every once in a while, but then also certain people that are like VIPs and stuff. Not us, but other people. Alright, we're in the gate. We're getting close. They're already boarding. We're hungry. We left when it was breakfast.
They're already boarding?
Yeah, and we land at like 11 o'clock at night.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you. Leslie?
Nice to meet you.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for your help.
All right, no problem.
That was awesome. That was one of the coolest ways to get from gate A to D, whatever it is. So yeah, we are not sponsored by Delta, but we do fly them all the stinking time and they are awesome. So that's our favorite airline right now. Love it. All right, we made it.
Got upgraded to first class too.
Upgraded to first class. We did not pay for first class. We always get upgraded though because we travel so much. So that's nice. Welcome to Dominican. We made it. How's your flight? I'm just watching a little Moana. We're the first people out of here.
What?
You like this heat?
Feels pretty good.
Feels nice and warm, huh? It's a lot like the Philippines. Maybe a little cooler, but oh, thank you. Thank you. We have made it. This little downtown area is much nicer than I thought it would be. Like, it's amazing. Look at this street. It's like this whole street. I gotta get out of the road. Here comes a car. But these hotels are so cool. Like here's one right here. Fancy. Look at that. Look at the ceiling up in there. Here's our fancy place. Historic Hotel Bellini. Looks nice. What's up?
What is this? They dig out a wall, they don't put anything behind it.
Yeah, it's to show the walls, to show how old it is, dude.
Stick two rocks and put lights on it.
That's cool. That's art. Whoa. Whoa. Lincoln, look at this place. What?
Whoa.
Whoa.
Look, more rock.
Dude, we're outside. We're outside.
What? How?
Okay, what do you got in here? Is this a shower?
Shower door, but bathroom.
Wow, that's actually pretty nice in here. That's a nice shower.
Push it. That's so cool.
What are you laughing at, Lincoln?
You just gave me like an entire tour. Like,
So we just got an entire tour of the room on how everything works. To this, to that, to there, to the safe, to the TV, to this, to the mini bar. I understood about 2% of it. That concludes our travel day. So thanks for watching. This is a beautiful place. We're gonna have a few amazing days here. Can't wait to show you. I can't wait to wake up and fly the drone tomorrow. It's gonna be beautiful. Thank you, Delta, for hooking us up with the VIP treatment and service. That was fun. And welcome to Dominican. That was impressive. Impressive.
One.